Hey everyone,
welcome back to our YouTube channel.
in today's video we're going to learn the backhand volley. Now there are different kinds of backhand volley. So one is your two-handed backhand volley and a single-handed backhand volley. I would like to start with a single-handed backhand volley because if you know it from the starting and if you're a beginner and you're watching this video, this is going to help you later, because then if you know it right now, you won't spend more time later learning the one-handed backhand volley again. So let's start with the one-handed backhand volley. So before we start learning the backhand, let's just take a quick recap of what volleys are. So volleys are basically balls taken before they bounce. So that means in the air. So number one, how do you hold your racket? For that, you're going to use the continental grip so that you are quite ready to either switch between your forehand volley or your backhand volley. So for the continental grip, your palm heel is on bevel 1 and your bottom knuckle of the index finger is in bevel 2, and you close the fist. And if you want to know more about the different kind of grips and how they are different from each other, I have another video about that and the link is in the description. Do watch that after you watch this video. It will help you understand the differentiation. So now you have your continental grip and you stand at least shoulder width apart and just a bit bent so that you're ready. And then you have your racket straight. It's not open or not too close, it's all straight here. So this is your ready position. And then you hold the throat of the racket with your non-dominant hand. There you go. So that you're ready for your forehand and your backhand. Now, how do you take your racket back? So all you need to do is, your racket is straight right now. Take it as it is, just till here as it is, and then just bend this elbow a bit. Here. Now your elbow is straight. You see? So here, take it as it is and then bend. So when you do it, your racket in your hand will make a 90-degree here. Make sure you have that so that you have enough force to get your ball crossing the net. Here. So you take it direct, you fold your elbow here and you have the position. After that, you move your right leg forward here. Okay, so once you take this, move your right leg. After that, you're gonna release the racket from your left hand, okay, so that you have the force. So when you release, as you come towards the contact point, your hand gets straight, okay. So it was a bit bent here so that you don't get any injuries. As you come towards the contact point, it gets straighter, and it's in the same position, right? Here it was straight, the same position here, the same position, and again when you release, it's in the same position. You do not need to change the racket face anyway, okay, in the same position. So you need to contact just in front of your body at the same place where you would have contacted your normal backhand ground stroke, okay. And as soon as you contact, stop your racket there itself. So in volleys you don't have any proper backswing or any follow throughs. So just touch, stop, that's it, and then you come back to your ready position. So when you are making a contact here, make sure you're not making a racket too straight, too flat, okay, or else the ball is going to fly off the strings. Keep it in the same position, because what many do is, because they have a loose grip, the racket tends to just open up too much or just stay too closed. So we don't need any of the extremes. Let it be in the middle, okay. Now when you're taking your racket back, make sure you're not tucking in your left elbow like this. Either it should be open here or normal, not too much in, or else you're gonna lose all of your power that you might have when your hand is open, okay. So open here.
One-handed backhand volley is very frustrating to hit because you are hitting it on your non-dominant side of your body. But we know you can master it. So until we meet again, stay safe.